Top 5 AI tools that can replace humans in 2025. What if I told you that in just a few years, entire industries will collapse? Millions of jobs gone, not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because of something far more powerful. AI. The world isn't just changing, it's being rewritten. And the ones who don't adapt, they'll be left behind. Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that aren't just helping humans, they're replacing them. And trust me, by the time we reach number 1, you might be questioning your entire career. But here's the good news. If you know how to use these tools before everyone else, you won't be replaced. You'll be unstoppable. AI tool number 5, Synthesia, the AI that replaces video creators. Have you ever wished you could make professional videos without ever stepping in front of a camera? Well, meet Synthesia AI. This tool creates realistic AI-generated presenters, complete with lip-syncing, natural movements, and over 120 voices. All you have to do is type a script, and AI does the rest. So, technically, Hollywood could just replace actors, which, let's be honest, might be a good thing after some of the movies they've made recently. Companies are already using Synthesia for corporate training, marketing, and even news broadcasting. Imagine that. News anchors that never sleep, never make mistakes, and never ask for a raise. But if you think this is scary, wait till you see what's coming next. AI that doesn't just replace human faces, but human voices too. AI tool number 4, ElevenLabs, the AI that can replicate any voice. Imagine a world where AI can mimic anyone's voice perfectly. Their tone, their emotion, even their accents. Sounds like science fiction, right? Wrong. ElevenLabs is doing exactly that. This AI can clone voices in minutes, making voice actors, call centers, and even narrators like me replaceable. Ever gotten a scam call? Well, imagine answering the phone and hearing your own voice trying to sell you something. That's where we're headed. But here's where it gets crazy. AI isn't just taking over customer service and content creation. It's now coming for creative jobs, the ones we thought were safe from automation. AI tool number 3, MidJourney and DALL, the AI that replaces artists. For centuries, human creativity was untouchable. Art, design, illustration, things only a human mind could craft. But that's no longer true. AI tools like MidJourney and DALL are generating breathtaking artwork in seconds, with just a simple text prompt. Video game companies, advertising agencies, and even Hollywood studios are now turning to AI instead of hiring designers. Because why pay an artist thousands of dollars when AI can do it for free? So if Van Gogh were alive today, he'd probably be suing MidJourney instead of cutting off his ear. But here's the real shocker. If you think AI can only replace visual artists, wait until you see what's happening in software development. AI tool number 2, GitHub Copilot, the AI that replaces programmers. For years, we were told that learning to code was the safest career move, that programmers would always be in demand. But that's changing. Meet GitHub Copilot, an AI that doesn't just assist developers, but writes entire blocks of code, debugs errors, and even automates software development. Companies are already using AI-generated code to reduce the need for human programmers. In fact, Copilot is so advanced that it understands programming languages better than junior developers. So, if coding was supposed to be future-proof, what happens when the future no longer needs coders? But hold on. If you think AI replacing programmers is the scariest part, just wait. Because the final AI tool on our list is so powerful, it doesn't just replace workers, it replaces entire businesses. AI tool number 1, AutoGPT, the AI that runs entire businesses. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow instructions, but sets its own goals, makes its own decisions, and automates entire companies without human involvement. That's exactly what AutoGPT does. This AI isn't just answering questions or generating images. It's managing marketing campaigns, writing and executing business strategies, and even hiring other AI tools to do work for it. We're no longer talking about AI assistants. We're talking about fully autonomous AI agents that can run companies without human intervention. So, where does that leave us? Are we at the beginning of a new golden age of AI, or the end of human jobs as we know them? Here's the truth. AI will replace millions of jobs, but it will also create entirely new opportunities for those who learn how to use it. The question is, will you be the one who adapts or the one who gets left behind? Drop a comment below. Which AI tool scares you the most? And don't forget to subscribe, because in our next video, I'll show you how to use AI to build a business that actually thrives in this new era.